Welcome to New Tech Made Easy, and thank you for joining us for today's video on how Jasper AI can take your written words and transform them into striking digital artwork. Are you struggling to find the perfect image to accompany your written content? Do you want to bring your words to life with stunning visuals? Look no further than Jasper AI. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly generate unique and captivating images that perfectly complement your text. Let's explore how Jasper AI can help you experience the future of digital art. How to use Jasper AI for text-to-image conversion. Jasper AI isn't just limited to replicating artistic styles. It can also transform text into stunning visual images. To get started with Jasper AI's text-to-image conversion, simply input a text description into the platform, and it will generate an image that represents that description. Head to the Jasper AI website and input a text description, such as a yellow sun setting over a calm ocean. Jasper AI will then use its advanced algorithms to create a stunning image that represents that description. As you can see, Jasper AI can create breathtaking images that accurately represent your text descriptions. Let's try a few more examples to see the versatility of Jasper AI's text-to-image conversion. Input a text description of a city skyline at night, with colorful lights and reflections in the water. With Jasper AI, you can bring your text descriptions to life with stunning accuracy and creativity. Input a text description of a fantastical forest with trees made of candy and a rainbow in the sky. Jasper AI can also create fantastical and imaginative images that push the boundaries of your creativity. Input a text description of a futuristic city with sleek buildings and flying cars. Jasper AI can also create stunning and futuristic images that are perfect for sci-fi or tech-themed projects. As you can see, Jasper AI's text-to-image conversion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you bring your text descriptions to life in exciting and imaginative ways. So why not give it a try and experience the future of digital art with Jasper AI? Tips for text-to-image conversion with Jasper AI. Now that you know how to use Jasper AI to transform your text into stunning visuals, let's explore some tips for using this powerful tool to create amazing works of art. Tip 1. Refine your input. The quality of the output generated by Jasper AI is only as good as the input you provide. To get the most out of this tool, be sure to refine your input and make it as high quality as possible. For example, instead of typing a low-quality text, try using clear and concise language with well-defined concepts and ideas. Tip 2. Experiment with styles. Jasper AI offers a variety of artistic styles to choose from, and it's important to experiment with different styles to find the one that best suits your vision. Try generating multiple outputs using different styles, and choose the one that you feel best captures the essence of your text. Tip 3. Add your personal touch. While Jasper AI can generate stunning works of art, it's important to remember that the final artwork should be a reflection of your own personal style and creativity. Use the generated output as a starting point, but be sure to add your own unique touches and details to make it truly your own. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. And, as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching!